Hi, ugly hoes. Oh, did I hit it? Ariana Grande notes? Purr. So today, I wanted to help my sister do her YouTube channel because she's starting eating show, and I really want to help her because, you know, sister and brother help each other. What the fuck do I look like that? I can't even see, but so I'm helping her, and she bought me all this motherfucking dry. Let me show y'all. So I'm eating lobster. Look how dry she is. Bitch, do we look twin? Girl, my skin being burnt just like her. I mean, dry just like her. Oh my gosh. But I'll beat this shit up. So today what we have, so you know, I have a lot of fat food, so I put some namchi, I don't know how to say it. Kimchi, namchi, yeah. And this is tamihe egg. Obviously, I love tamihe egg. They be doing the most good shit, you know. Tamihe people, they vibing. And this is rice cake. I cook it myself. It's a little dry, but you know, it's whatever. But yeah. But anyways, like and motherfucking subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna start beating this shit up. Okay, hold up. Okay. So first, I want to try the rice cake because, like, I'm a husband material and I cook this myself. Like, the fuck? Okay. It's a little salty, but... See, I need a wipe because I can finish it by myself. I can finish this shit by myself. Okay. Okay, so this is tamihe egg, as like I told you guys. And this is namchi. This shit is... Oh my gosh. Wow, it's a little dry. Don't forget to drink your water, thirsty house. Okay, we'll have this. Let me try this, okay? It better be cooked, bitch. You be dry out. You better be cooked. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, I see you. Let me have this egg. Let me try. Why is it black? Ooh. Shit always tastes good. Animal shit always tastes good. I want to say you want to have the first bite, but bitch, the fuck I look like? Do I look like shit? Is carry me y'all hoes? Don't even share y'all mans. Like, I don't get it why. But yeah, oh shit. Ooh. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all men be doing that too? Okay, bitch. Your face, I mean my face and your skin, girl, they both be strong. Ooh, you see that? So yeah, but I really want you guys to go help out my sister. She's really interested in doing this YouTube, and I want to help her because why not? You know, like we people should, you know, encourage each other on what we're doing. Oh shit, this shit is strong. Like, I'm just trying to do just eat you. Why are you so strong? Yeah, see this? Okay, let me have the first bite and then you have the bite next. Never mind, I don't share. A second thought, don't get your husband like me. Yeah, seafood kind of tastes good. Oh my gosh. Yes. It's a little spicy, just like me. This thing, it's just like me. A little dry on the outside, but good in the inside, you know, like soft, tasty. Yeah, I do what I'm saying. Ooh. But yeah, I think I'm gonna fuck this shit up. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Why are you so strong? The fuck? Oh, throw that out. Yeah, why did I eat like that? That's why I don't have anybody. I don't want to say anything because my mom, she watched my YouTube, so I don't want to say, man, I have to act very straight. Ooh. How the heck I'm gonna eat this? Like, oh shit. Let me try this. Oh. So this is, I think this is their shell or their brain. I don't know, but it tastes good. But ooh. Okay. I see y'all. I'm a little cheap, you know. I couldn't afford this. My sister can, but I can't. So yes, it's 2021 and the bitch is still dry. Like, yeah, my message is dry just like my skin, like I said. Like, nobody texts me, nobody check up on me. Like, I just been living my life. Still single, it's 2021. Like, a bitch still single. Like, how the fuck you stay single for 18 years? Like, is you okay, sis? Oh my, oh, oh my gosh. This what happens when you never eat lobster. Oh my god. Oh, oh. Oh. Thank you, thank God. It's a little expensive to eat it like that. Yeah. It's a little spicy, oh my gosh. It's a little spicy, fuck. Oh. Damn. I'm such a fat ass. I want to say save the turtle, but I eat turtle. Just kidding, I never tried turtle before. It's so spicy, fuck. I'm eating the egg because a bitch needs to lose weight. That's what happens when you're cheap. How the fuck are you supposed to eat skinny bitches? Like, This is why I don't go for skinny guy. I do. Yeah, I just realized something. You see these legs? These skinny legs? Let's represent these skinny legs as my sister, okay? This is her skinny leg, and this is her body. She built like this. Skinny leg with the big ass fucking body. Okay. Let me touch up, man. My mom gonna see this. Yeah. A bitch is really full. Whew. So a bitch didn't finish the other one because it's a little too much. Like, I'm a skinny legend. What the fuck you expect for me to finish all of it? But I did finish this shit up because it's really expensive for me not to finish it. And yeah, and I finished the egg. I can't eat vegetable because I'm allergic. I might have allergic reaction later, but you know, it's whatever. But yeah, I don't eat vegetable. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Fuck. This thing went inside. It went wrong. Okay, but thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and please help my sister get to like 100 something. Like, I don't know, but yeah, help her. You know, we help each other out as a Korean people. We need to help each other out, especially at this rough time. But yeah, save Korean people. Our people are going through a lot of problems. And as usual, Burmese soldiers are really fucked up. Like, they can go suck their own fucking dicks if they wanted to, you know? And yeah, if there was such thing as condoms back in the days, I'm gonna give all these Burmese or Burma condoms because they don't know how to use it. Now look at what they're doing to our people. But yeah, use your condom next time. Okay? But yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Imagine, oh my gosh, imagine my crush saw it. Hi, baby. Just kidding, but okay, yeah. Thank you for watching again. Support, like, subscribe. If you subscribe, you're the baddest bitch. Or you can come with me to the street. I take you to downtown street because, you know, house is for the streets. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Với xin con, bố bố cái lư, bố nào cơ sở cấp bờ đau, bố 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 cho bố ta hay, bố chính nó to ní đau.